Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will know how to add voices to Elevenlabs. To get started with voice customization, navigate to the Voices section on the left side of your screen. Here, you will find a wide variety of voices to choose from. If you explore the Library tab, you can also discover voices created by other users. Additionally, you have the option to create your own voice by heading to the My Voices section. Once there, click on Add a New Voice. In this section, you'll find a community default option, which includes voices generated by others. To create a personal voice, select the instant voice cloning option. You will then need to record an audio clip of your own voice. Once the recording is complete, the system will analyze your input and generate several variations of speech using your voice. These generated voices can be further customized to suit your needs. However, keep in mind that you must be subscribed to fully access this feature. To finalize your voice selection, simply click on the voice button to choose and activate the voice you want. And that's everything you need to know about how to add voices to Elevenlabs. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.